Spring is about to be upon us, and I want to talk about when is the right time to spray our soil mix. So whether you're using a backpack sprayer or applying us through traditional watering methods that you already utilize, you want your soil to be above freezing on average every single night. What we're looking for is a place where our microbiology doesn't crystallize, it doesn't freeze, and it stays warm. Our bacteria, like many of us, like it to be warm outside, and the warmer it is, the faster they work. So as soon as your soil is above freezing, start applying soil mix through general water treatments or general backpack sprayers, knapsacks, and other handheld methods. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button. We look forward to sharing more information as the year goes by and some fantastic trials that we're doing around the world. Thank you.